Did you know that if your Audi has an automatic tailgate, you can open and close it automatically from the inside? Curious how to do so? Just watch this video and I will show you how to automatically open and close the power tailgate from the driver's seat. But first, help us grow this channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Make sure your Audi is set in park. To open the power tailgate from the inside, pull the power tailgate switch in the driver's door. The power tailgate will now open itself automatically. To close the automatic tailgate from the inside, pull the power tailgate switch in the driver's door until the lid is fully closed. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to click on the subscribe button to see more VAG Car Tutorials.